Hi, this is Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to quote story reply on Snapchat. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Snapchat quietly dropped an update last night that make its chat feature a lot more interesting. Now, when viewing a snap in someone's story, you can swipe upward to send that user a direct chat message. The original poster receive a notification and can hop into a private message thread tied directly to the original snap. I've shown you how to do it on my previous video. Now, what if you want to change? You want to reply to with snap to your story on your story replies, or maybe you want to reply someone's chat with the snaps to your story on Snapchat. It's very simple. So first we have to open our Snapchat. As you can see in here, here's my Snapchat story and someone's replied to this. Now you want to reply with snap to your story. It's very simple. You can just tap and hold on the story replies. Now you'll find there is an option snap reply. You can just tap on that. Now you can reply with a story. You can capture a video or photos to snap, for example, like this. Now you can just share it or send it to your friends. It's very simple, right? So that is how to reply with how to snap reply to your story replies on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.